Hello, kind regards. My name is Fabián Andrés Pantoja. This is the course Valuation and Negotiation of Technology, Stick 4. Understand in negotiation. My group number is 76. My tutor Juan Miguel Olave. This is the problems to negotiate biotechnology products. Problem relate to the protection of intellectual property. Bad registration of intellectual property. Bad process for the delivery of the license to the buyer. Existence of price in the intellectual property to be negotiated. Problem relate to value technology. Lack of the knowledge of the value of an intangible asset. The technology is new and now. Lack of expert personnel in technology assessment. No predictions are made about the future value of the technology. Problem relate to negotiation. Disagreement of pre-commercial payments. Disagreement of the payment of royalties. Shortcomings in the technology transfer contract. Misuse of licensed technology. Business model. Agreements for the license, representation and distribution of the novel final product. Definitions. It is a model that allows us to negotiate with the commercial rights of a patent, where the licensor grants the patent rights to licensee, so that the latter exploits the potential of the acquired right. Innovative products are quite expensive, since they represent a great opportunity to obtain a good return. For this reason, royalty payments are made in the negotiation calculated from net sales, as well as pre-commercial payments. Recommendation for the problems to negotiate biotechnology products. For the problem relate to the protection of intellectual property. My main recommendation is to register the intellectual property before the corresponding entities, in order to be able to negotiate safety in the future with legal property, and prevent that other people appropriating the commercial rights or products. For the problem relate to negotiation, it is very important to write a good contract where all the details of the negotiation are stipulated. This will avoid legal problems in the future, both for the licensor and for the licensee, especially in determining the time of granting the license and of the agreed payment method. For the problem relate to value technology. When we negotiate innovative products, we must make into account how valued they can be in the market. For this reason, it is important to value very well the product that we are going to sell. In this way, we are correctly remunerated for all the investment that doing something has new for our benefit or for who wants to acquire it. This is the bibliography reference. Thank you very much.